If you are to redesign our operating system from scratch with AI, what would it look like? I've been using AI agents a lot in my work recently. One thing that's been super helpful is their ability to automate tasks across contexts. Normally when I need to release a new version of Cosmo, I got to build the app, generate the installer, upload it to cloud, tag it to GitHub, update the website. It's not a super technical process, but it's like having to drive to 10 different grocery stores for ingredients to prep for a single barbecue party. But now with an AI agent, all I did was lay out my workflow in English in a file, type release Cosmo 0.3.6, and it was done. No command lines, no endless clicking and navigate around interfaces, just one window and one chat box. This was really the moment that convinced me the traditional Windows interface, with each app having its own window, GUI, and context, is going away. If you look at the history of computer interaction, we started with command line interfaces where everyone had to remember the exact commands. Then we move on to graphical user interfaces, which were galaxies better, of course, but you still have to learn the UI, the interfaces, how to navigate around. Just think about how many times a day you're clicking and swiping simply to switch between windows and tabs, and how much brain power is lost during this process as your brain quickly adapts to different layout patterns. I definitely believe we need visuals and graphics, not necessarily graphical interfaces, in a way of being locked up in isolated little sandboxes. For example, the secondary screens you interact with, app windows and browser tabs, can be replaced by the primary screen, your desktop. That's actually what we're trying to do at Cosmo. And if you look at some of the new AI browsers like Dia, Comet, and ChatGPT Atlas, strip them of all the hype buzzwords, they're also building a central space at the browser level to operate isolated tabs and web pages. Eventually, this will come to the operating system level to deconstruct boundaries between what we now call apps. So what is your answer to the design of this new OS?